Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So if you have the Google Maps installed on your iPhone, and now you want to enable or turn on voice navigation, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable voice navigation in Google Maps, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Maps app. Once you open the Google Maps on your phone, click on the profile icon at the top right. Now scroll up, locate and click on Settings. Once you selected Settings, locate Navigation under Getting Around and click on that. Now once you select the navigation, it should say Sound and Voice Guardian Audio. Then if mute is selected, go ahead and select Unmute. Then again, it should say Play Alert even while muted. Now for you to use voice control, all you need to do is come here and enable play voice over Bluetooth. So if this is disabled, you want to enable this for you to be able to use voice control with your navigation on the Google Maps. And then that is it. So that is basically how you can easily turn on or enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.